Hello everyone. In this lockdown period, I am pursuing one course that is live online virtual engagement. In this course, I have been given a task that is to demonstrate how to schedule the GoBrunch meeting, to highlight the features that GoBrunch has, to demonstrate how to use each of the features of GoBrunch, and capture myself presenting the topic on GoBrunch. So now I will start to demonstrate how to schedule a GoBrunch meeting. For this, we will open a new tab and in Google browser, we will type GoBrunch. Meanwhile, let me just tell you that I am recording this video using Screencast-o-matic. So I'll go to homepage of GoBrunch. Go to homepage of GoBrunch. It will look like this. So either you can sign up for free or you can directly click on sign in. So if you're visiting it for the first time and if you click on sign up, it will give you various options. So you can sign up using Google, Facebook, LinkedIn or with your email ID. I will log in with Google. That is my Gmail account. Then it will ask me to select my Gmail account. And that is how I am in. Now I will start a meeting. There are various options like create your webinar, watch events or start a meeting. So first we will start a meeting. So it will give me options like whether I want 10 seats, 72 seats, 38 seats, 36 seats. Okay, it is not a hard and fast option that if you select 72 seats, all 72 have to be filled. But if you have 73, you may have to choose a larger number, that is maybe 120 or 409 seats. So maximum number you can select is 409 seats. So I will select maybe 10 seats and then I will click on start meeting. Now here the meeting has started. So I have to, here it is asking me that step 1 is click or touch in one of the circles to sit. So I will select a seat for myself. So I prefer this one. So here my name has appeared and now system is asking me to customize my options, like I will select one of the cameras. So camera has appeared here. I can also cancel the camera if I don't want it. Then I can copy this link, this particular link I can copy and share it with the people, those I want to join my meeting. I can also copy link by clicking over here. So once the link is copied to clipboard, I will select OK. Now this clip which is with this link which is copied to my clipboard, I can paste. I can share it on Facebook, WhatsApp or email. Okay, whatever options I have. And then people can just click on that link and join here. Okay, they can also easily sign up or sign in using their Gmail or Facebook or LinkedIn or any other email account. So if I want, I can also customize the name of my meeting, but I don't think necessary it here. So there are options like camera, which I have already selected. Then there is option for mic. So it is internal microphone, which is already selected. So if this particular if you can see these lines moving, that means your voice is audible to others. Here in GoBrunch, we don't have option to mute or unmute each individual. So if I am giving a lecture or I am delivering a session, then I will mute all of them, and if they have any queries, they can put in this particular chat box. So I can see the queries. I can also reply to the query in this particular chat box. So it will appear like this. Next is screen. So if I want to share my screen or I want to share a PowerPoint presentation or a presentation in a PDF form, I will click over here. So the system would ask me to select one of the files which is there on my system. So if I select this particular file, I have to click on open and then the file will get uploaded first and then it will be shared. The second option, till the file is getting uploaded, we can wait. Now I have uploaded one file. I can also upload more files. I can just keep that over here and I can select one of the files for sharing. So now my PPT presentation is appearing in the window. So if the participants want, they can also make it full screen. So they can change the position if they do not wish to see the camera or the layout of the meeting. They can change the position. Here are the buttons to move forward or backward, and by clicking on this, my presentation would move on. So meanwhile, I will tell you other features. That is, you can, if you don't want to share the PowerPoint presentation, you can also share your screen directly website. So suppose I have opened the website of IUCN. As I navigate through the website, the students could be able to follow me. There is also an option of reconnect. So if there is a network problem, you can click on reconnect. So your link for joining the meeting will remain same, but you may have to again check your camera settings, your mic settings, your mute unmute settings, and the system would restart your meeting. There is also option of file where you can add files over here, and these files will be shared to the participants. So if you want to give any supplementary material, that you can put over here. There is one drawback in this GoBrunch, that we cannot record any of the meeting. So if you want to record the meeting, you have to use external app. So I hope I have explained you all the features of GoBrunch. In the next video, I will show to you all how exactly the meeting works. Thank you.